Hello everyone. Welcome to our English listening podcast.
I'm Sam and here my friend is Alex and today our topic is fear of speaking English.
We speak slowly. We use easy English.
So you can relax, listen and learn at the same time.
Today's topic is very important. It's something many people feel.
Today we are talking about fear of speaking English.
Sam, do you think many people are afraid of speaking English?
Yes, I think millions of people feel this fear.
And maybe you are one of them.
If you are listening right now and you feel scared to speak English, this podcast is for you guys.
Sam, what does fear of speaking English means?
It means you know some English but you feel scared to speak.
Scared of what?
You scared of mistakes, scared of people laughing, scared of sounding stupid.
Yes, many people say, I understand English but I can't speak.
Yeah, that sentence is very common.
Why do you think this fear starts?
It often starts in school.
How?
Teachers correct mistakes loudly, then classmates laugh, people feel embarrassed.
That embarrassment stays in mind.
Yes, even when we grow up.
Sam, were you ever afraid of speaking English?
Yes, very afraid.
Tell us about it.
When I was young, I avoided speaking English.
Why?
Because I thought my English was bad.
Did someone say that to you?
No, I said it to myself. Yes, the biggest fear was inside my head.
What happened when you tried to speak English?
My heart beat fast, my hands felt cold, my mind went blank.
That happens to many people.
Yes, and after one small mistake, I stopped speaking.
Let me say something important.
Okay,
Fear of speaking English is normal.
very normal.
You are not weak. You are not stupid.
You are human.
Learning a language is not easy.
Babies make mistakes for years.
But we don't laugh at babies.
Exactly, so why do we laugh at ourselves?
Good question.
Then fear means you care about learning.
Let's talk about thoughts.
Yes, thoughts are powerful.
What thoughts stop people from speaking?
Thought number 1, my accent is bad.
But everyone has an accent.
Yes, accent means you know more than one language. Thought number 2, I will make mistakes.
And that's okay.
And native speakers make mistakes too.
Another thoughts.
People will judge me.
But most people are busy thinking about themselves.
Exactly.
Sam, what do you think is the real problem?
The real problem is not English.
Then what is it?
The problem is fear of being judged.
Yes, fear of looking imperfect.
But perfection kills progress.
Say that again.
Perfection kills progress.
Now let's help our listeners.
Yes, let's talk about solutions.
First step, speak badly.
Yes, speak wrong English.
Wrong English is better than no English.
Say simple sentences.
For example, I like coffee. I go work. I am learning.
It's okay.
Second step, choose safe people.
Your friends, online partners, yourself.
Speak to mirror.
Speak while walking.
Third step, stop translating in your head.
Think in English slowly.
Simple thoughts.
Dear listeners, we want to tell you something.
Your English does not need to be perfect.
Your voice matters.
Your message matters.
Every sentence you speak makes you better.
Fear will not disappear in one day.
But the courage grows every time you try.
Thank you for listening.
If you feel fear, you are not alone.
Speak slowly. Speak daily.
And be kind to yourself.
We will see you in the next episode.
Until then, keep speaking.
Bye bye.